Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. This is your host Jetal and today we'll be doing the complete project overview of Ranka Ankura, a project developed by Ranka Group located in Belahali, Tanisandra, North Bangalore. So let me show you the actual surrounding of the project. And right now we are here on the main entrance of the project and just behind me you can have a look. This is the main entrance of the project. Once you enter, the land parcel starts from here and the marketing office is just on my left hand side. Now, in this video, we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount, offers, and many more. But before starting the video, let me introduce you all with Housey. So, Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you don't need to worry now because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about the project overview. So Ranka Ankura is spread across 4.7 acre of land parcel consisting of 4 residential towers, with each tower of basement ground plus 20 and 21 floor, offering you 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residencies. Now let's discuss about the location part, and our project is located bang on Tanisandra main road in Belahali, Tanisandra, North Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of our project. So basically this is the main entrance of our project and right in front of me is the Tanisandra main road, and this road will connect you towards Belahali main road and the opposite side road will take you towards Nagwara junction. Now let's discuss about the further connectivity and the location part. So you can connect to Kogilu main road in just 450 meters. Bhartiya Mall of Bangalore is 2.7 kilometers away and New Airport Road is 2.9 kilometers away from the project. Now let's discuss about the amenities part, and this project offers you luxurious world-class amenities like of a grand clubhouse, swimming pool, you get tennis court, even basketball court, amphitheater, cricket pitch and many more. Now let's discuss about the super built-up area, and Ranka Ankura offers you 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residencies, where 2 BHK is 1285 square feet, 3 BHK starting from 1485 and goes up to 1685 square feet, and 4 BHK is 2075 square feet super built-up area. Now let's discuss about the booking process, and our project booking window is open now. So we are inviting our interested clients to come and visit our site, where our sales team will explain the complete project detail via 3D model, will share the payment and pricing scheme, and will show you the model flat as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was the complete project overview of Ranka Ankura by Ranka Group located in Belahali, Tanisandra, North Bangalore.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.